Today I will be showing you an exciting AI video generator called Dream Machine from Luma Labs. You can finally turn trending meme characters into a video and bring the beloved Doge meme back to life. Create a short movie trailer like this. Animate old movie posters. Make a sick music video.
Burger baby, I'ma whopper it down. Grind my cheese like a burger, got the sauce all around. Then my chicken tender, yeah, busted all over town. I got that KFC finna looking good. Dunking in my dinner, he know he wish he could.
Or make a video of your AI influencer, like Phoebe riding a bike down the street. In this video, I will show you my process of making these and share the tips and tricks of the camera movement and the motion prompts to save you the generation credits and time. With Luma's Dream Machine, you can even use keyframes to morph between memes. Keyframes are specific points in a video timeline where you define the start and end frames for an animation or transition like this example. When you set a start and end frame, Dream Machine generates the in-between animations based on the provided images and text instructions. Just upload the start and end images, type in a prompt, and generate. You can create AI interrupting meme videos like these for your social media reels, create some insane engagement, and make your account go viral. You can animate historic photos, old posters, and pretty much anything else. Currently, the generation time for the free plan is extremely slow, but it is much faster for the paid plan, is watermark free, and you can use it commercially. When you click on Learn More, you can see the detailed information about how to prompt and get started. You can also join Luma's Discord group, and if you want to get access to the early features, click on this link and enter your email address. One thing you have to remember is that you have to use the right prompts and describe the motion of the subject and the camera movement correctly, which takes some trial and error. And even if you do, you will sometimes see morphing, wrong camera movements, broken text, and realistic characters turning into anime characters randomly like these ones. So here are some prompting tips you need to remember. If you want to control the expressions of subjects in the video, you need to add facial expression prompts such as subject laughing, woman smiling, happy expression, sad expression, angry expression. You can also add head motions to look in specific directions like looking up, looking down, turning to face the camera slowly. For camera motion prompts, here are some examples that you can try. Luma's prompt guide is a great place to start. You can see a list of camera shots like close-up, POV, panning, and time-lapse shot. Under drone shots, commonly used ones are fly-through, fast FPV, and bird's eye view. Make sure to also reference the special shots, camera motion, lighting, and visual styles and emojis where they can generate character dialogue scenes. Try to describe the important details in the image as much as possible, like what types of actions are being performed and how the different parts of the scene should move. Now let's dive into the process of making the short movie trailer, Mr. Gaston. If you have a specific style of images in mind, it's best to generate the images first using a text-to-image generator. I first used Focus to generate my images, but you can also use other image generators like Leonardo AI, Pixverse AI, Civit AI, Tensor AI, DALL-E, or Midjourney to name a few. Then I animated the images with Dream Machine and connected the scenes using the video editor, CapCut. In the Focus interface, I typed in this simple prompt since I wanted the aesthetics and the color scheme to be similar to Wes Anderson's movies. I referenced his name and also added pastel color tone, symmetrical, minimal, and modern. I also selected Art Deco for the style of the images and deselected all the default ones. With Focus, you can also select from many different styles, depending on what style of images you are looking to create, such as cyberpunk and anime to name a few. We got 4 images from the generation, and I like this one, but I actually want to feature Phoebe from our previous videos, so I am going to now do a face swap. You can also swap faces using Focus, but today I will show you a new free tool that is super easy to use called Remaker AI. With this free AI tool, you can easily do a face swap, multi-face swap, and video face swap. You can try a couple of face swaps without signing up, but when you sign up for the first time, you get 30 free credits. And when you click on this gift icon, it says you can also receive daily free credits when you sign in. If you need more credits, their paid plan is super affordable. You can get 150 credits for $2.99. I have uploaded the original image that we just generated here, and Phoebe's face that I generated from my previous video. Let's click swap and see what we get. I like Phoebe with blonde hair, so we will use this for the movie. And to get rid of the watermark for free, go to cleanup.pictures, upload your image here, click on continue with SD, adjust the brush size, select the area, and download. On a side note, if you enjoyed this video so far, please support this channel by subscribing and liking this video, and leave a comment if you have any other tips for prompts to share with our community. Now let's head over to Luma's Dream Machine. I have inserted this image we just face swapped and typed woman, walks towards the camera and smiles. As you can see, it successfully generated the walking towards the camera part, but it didn't quite get the smiling part. It seems like she is starting to smile a bit at the end, but her face also started to morph a bit. But I am pretty happy with this output, so I will use this and just crop the last bit out. Now we will bring all the images I animated with Dream Machine into CapCut to put them all together. But before we do that, I am going to select some music that would match the mood of this short movie trailer. I often get asked where I get my music and my B-rolls from. It is very important to use copyright-free music and stock footage for your creations. I use Artlist for all my music and B-rolls. You can have unlimited access to music, sound effect, voiceovers.
From the cutting edge of innovation to the pinnacle of luxury.
Footage and templates. With the AI voiceover, you can choose from different styles, tone of voices, and themes. You can also adjust the emotions of the voices, which is really cool. I have a subscription to their Artlist Max plan, and I have been really happy with it because of the quality of their music and footages, and it saves me tons of time. They have created a special deal for you guys. If you subscribe to one of their annual plans through my link, you will receive 2 additional months free. Click the link in description if you want to explore Artlist further. For the music, since I wanted a similar vibe as Wes Anderson's movies, I typed in his name and got a list of different tunes. You can listen to the music here and download. But if you are looking for a free music site, you can also use Creator Mix, where you can download copyright-free music. For the video editing, I use CapCut. I imported all the videos I generated with Dream Machine and the music from Artlist and dragged them into this bottom section. Then I adjusted the screen, cropped the parts needed, and added the text with the animation. You can also add effects, transitions, and filters. Most of these used to be free, but now they are a part of the Pro plan. I have been using the free plan, but the Pro plan has many useful AI features now, so I am planning to subscribe and take advantage of it. If you are new to CapCut, it's super easy to use, so click the link in description and try it out. You can use it on your desktop, online, and on your phone. Now, this sick music video titled Happy Meal was generated by Legend VFX. Check out the full music video and his amazing work at Legend VFX on Instagram. The process was to use DALL-E 3 for images, Luma Dream Machine for video animation, Udio Music to create the song, and Luma Labs for lip syncing. And for this Phoebe riding a bicycle video, I generated an image of Phoebe on a bike using Focus and animated it with this simple prompt in Dream Machine. If you want to learn how to use Focus, check out my comprehensive video here. Luma Dream Machine is not perfect yet, but it has a lot of potential, and they have some new and exciting features coming soon. We are just in the early stages of AI video generation technology, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos featuring the latest AI video tools like Runway ML in our upcoming videos. By the way, I was finally able to make her smile after several tries.